Hello everyone, resident retard of the Mazda2 community family here. Yes, I do have a ring light plugged into my car right now, and it is displaying on me because I like to perceive myself as a professional YouTuber. Focus. I got the I got the I got the adjusty thingy. I got the adjusting one. No, I did not snipe this from somebody else. I definitely didn't see a post asking which one's the correct one with the intermittent wiper, and I definitely didn't take that opportunity of somebody else not knowing something to, instead of inform them, take the thing that they wanted most. I didn't do that. I promise that's not how I realized that this was available and got it for my car for $35 and $10 for shipping, which is pretty ridiculous, but I definitely didn't do that. Thank you, rockauto, for not sending me a magnet. Fuck you. This is the third time you haven't sent me a magnet, and I'm very mad about it. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to install this thing. According to the only guide I can find, because there's no video, all you need is this. I am going to flex on everybody in the first step by removing my steering wheel to let everybody know that if you don't have a quick release, you're stupid, and why don't you have a better way of working on your car? By the way, yes, it is like 10 p.m. It's actually almost 11 p.m. I did just get off work, and yes, I do have to be up at 6 a.m. Why am I doing this to myself? First and foremost, you do not actually have to remove your steering wheel for this. I just did because I can, because I'm better than you. So according to the guide, the bolts, you have to remove these two right here, and there's one bad boy. Ow, fuck. I just whacked myself. And there's one down here that you gotta remove, and then you should be able to access this piece of shit that who wants to, oh shit, that's on. But fuck, off. Fuck, I turned on the rear one, shit, damn it. So after you unbolt those, you're gonna have to tilt the steering wheel up to get this thingy out, and then you gotta pull it down to get this bad boy out. You do have to tug it a little bit. There we go. You got to tug it a little bit. And if you're stupid like me, you won't have to unclip this because the quick release is for a Fiesta and doesn't fit. And then we have access to this bad boy. So you want to just unplug it from underneath before you pull it out, right here underneath. And then I actually grabbed a flathead for this part. It's a little bit easier. But this tab right here, you just want to push it in here, lift up, and this should come right out. Now, I just take the good one with my intermittent wipers, and I just put that in place, and plug that in, and now this won't lock. That's good to know. And yeah, it's in there, so it should work. So I got my lights on, so you can see because it's nighttime. Just put it in. I'm going to turn it all the way down. So we got it all the way down. Put it in auto. It's going to be really slow. And then there's that. I'll slow it down. Yeah, well, it works. Yeah, it works, that's for sure. All right, now the car is running, and I've got everything back together. So, and you know, obviously this doesn't... Let's see how this works, make sure it still works. It just goes at different speeds when you adjust it. It's significantly better than that shit.
Hey, so this is Future Jamie. The rest of this video is supposed to be like fun clips, like a little montage of me being dramatic about installing the wiper thing. But I got banned on Facebook for 7 days, so I postponed uploading the video because I couldn't promote it. And now I've lost all motivation to make this video funnier. So this is what you get. Bye.